Over 70% of drivers use fuel injector cleaners to protect their engines. But what if the product you trust is actually doing more harm than good? We ranked the most popular fuel injector cleaners from worst to best, using real lab data, mechanic reviews, and thousands of driver reports. From cleaning strength to fuel economy, the surprises were real. And one of the best-selling brands ended up dead last. Watch this list in order, or you might pour money into a cleaner that quietly damages your car. Let's get started. Number 9. STP, Super Concentrated Fuel Injector Cleaner. This is basically the fast food of fuel system cleaners. It's cheap, easy to find, and you think you're getting a good deal, but you're not getting much nutrition out of it. STP's injector cleaner relies on very mild detergents, but it completely lacks PEA, polyethylamine, the chemical that actually breaks down stubborn carbon deposits in modern injectors. Without that, it's like trying to wash grease off your hands with plain water. It might rinse the surface, but the real gunk stays behind. And that's why so many people who use STP say, "Yeah, my car feels a bit smoother." But a week later, it's right back to the same rough idle or bad mileage. It's the illusion of improvement, not the real thing. Sure, it's $5 a bottle, but think about it. If a product doesn't have the chemistry to dissolve hard carbon, what are you really paying for? A placebo effect. In mild cases, maybe it keeps things from getting worse, but for real injector cleaning, you'd get the same results by just running a tank of fresh premium fuel. Number 8. Seafoam Motor Treatment. Now, this one's going to make some people angry because Seafoam has a cult following. And yeah, it's been around for decades, used in everything from lawnmowers to jet skis. But here's the truth. Seafoam isn't a fuel injector cleaner. It's an all-purpose solvent. That means it does a little bit of everything. Cleans fuel lines, stabilizes gas, removes moisture, frees up sticky valves, but it's spread too thin. It doesn't specialize in injector cleaning, and that's where it falls flat. When you pour it in your tank, you're mostly getting a light petroleum-based mixture that can dissolve soft buildup like varnish or old fuel residue, but not the hard carbon that clogs injectors over time. So yeah, it's versatile, but it's not surgical. Some people claim, "My idle smoothed out," or "It feels cleaner," and that's fine, but it's surface-level improvement. When professionals bench test injectors after using Seafoam, there's barely a measurable difference in flow rate or spray pattern. That's the cold hard fact. At about $6 to $12, it's not the worst thing you can buy, but if you're expecting it to bring your injectors back to life, you'll be disappointed. Number 7. Lucas Fuel Injector Cleaner. Lucas is one of those brands that people want to believe in, and to be fair, it's better than the last two. But even then, it's more hype than horsepower. Lucas does add a lubricating effect, which helps upper cylinders and valves run smoother, and that's a good thing. But in terms of actual cleaning, it's mid-tier at best. The main reason? Once again, low PEA content. Without that core detergent, you're relying on mild solvents to gradually clean fuel passages. That means you might have to run multiple tanks before you see any difference, if you see one at all. Independent lab tests have shown Lucas improving injector flow by only about 10 to 25%, and that's in best-case scenarios. To put it in perspective, premium products like Redline or BG44K can restore over 80 to 90% of lost flow. So yeah, Lucas looks weak in comparison. At about $8 to $15, it's a decent maintenance product, not a cure. Number 6. Gumout Fuel System Cleaners. Gumout's been around forever. It's one of those brands that quietly does its job without a ton of hype. Now, they make a few different versions like Regain High Mileage, All-in-One, and Complete Fuel System Cleaner. And here's the thing. Some of them actually contain PEA, which is already a good sign. That right there sets it apart from the lower tier products. It's finally got the chemistry that can actually dissolve carbon instead of just washing over it. So why is it still sitting at number 6? Because while Gumout's formula is decent, it's not as concentrated as the premium cleaners that come next. It does a good job for light to moderate buildup, but when you've got stubborn injector deposits or intake valve carbon, it'll only go so far. Let's be real. Gumout works best as a maintenance cleaner, not a rescue mission. You'll feel smoother idle, a bit more throttle response, and maybe a tiny bump in fuel economy. but don't expect it to turn a rough, misfiring engine into a silky smooth runner overnight. What makes Gumout respectable though is consistency. It's backed by solid lab testing. It's used by OEMs like Shell in their additive packages. And for the price, usually around $6 to $12, it's one of the best over-the-counter products you can find. Number 5. Royal Purple Max Clean. Now this one right here is where things get serious. Royal Purple isn't just a catchy name. It's the brand that's been quietly dominating in oil and additive technology for years. Their Max Clean formula is what I'd call a bridge product. It's not professional grade like BG44K, but it's a big leap above the typical consumer cleaners. Here's why. Royal Purple Max Clean has a potent mix of detergents and anti-corrosion agents, plus enough PEA to actually remove hard deposits, not just delay them. In independent tests, engines treated with Max Clean showed up to 4% better fuel economy, up to 2.6% more horsepower, and a noticeable reduction in emissions. That's not marketing fluff. Those are SAE-backed numbers. Now you might think, why isn't this higher if it's that good? Simple. It's great for maintenance and prevention, but not quite aggressive enough for heavy restoration. If you've got a newer car or something that's regularly maintained, Max Clean is perfect. But if you're trying to revive injectors that haven't seen an additive in 100,000 miles, you'll want something stronger. Another thing I love about Royal Purple is how clean it burns. You don't get the heavy chemical smell or residue that some cheaper cleaners leave behind. It's just a refined, well-engineered product that does what it claims. At around $12 to $18 a bottle, it's a bit pricier than the average cleaner. But you're paying for something that's legitimately researched and tested, not just slapped together for quick sales. Number 4. Liqui Moly Jectron Fuel Injector Cleaner. Liqui Moly is a German brand that's obsessed with precision. And the Jectron formula is one of the cleanest, most effective European fuel system cleaners out there. Here's what makes it special. Jectron uses a concentrated detergent formula that's designed specifically for modern fuel injection systems. It's not some old-school solvent that just breaks down varnish. It's tuned for today's high-pressure injectors and complex fuel delivery setups. You pour a bottle of this into your tank and it doesn't just clean, it restores. You'll often feel smoother acceleration, quieter idling, and more consistent throttle response within a few dozen miles. A lot of drivers, especially in Europe, swear by this stuff because it delivers noticeable results fast. Where Jectron really shines is consistency. In testing, it's been shown to remove carbon and resin buildup from injector tips, valves, and fuel rails, all while being completely safe on seals and gadgets. That's a big deal, because some cleaners, especially cheap ones, can be too harsh and dry out rubber components. Liqui Moly gets the chemistry just right. So why not top 3? Well, mostly because it's expensive and sometimes hard to find. A bottle can run anywhere from $12 to $18, and depending on where you live, it's not always available locally. Also, while it's excellent for gasoline engines, its effect on gasoline direct injection systems isn't as aggressive as the top 2. Number 3. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. This is the benchmark, the one every other consumer-grade cleaner gets compared to. Chevron Techron isn't some random store-brand gimmick. It's a scientifically developed formula that's been tested, validated, and even used by major automakers. In fact, several car manufacturers actually recommend Techron because it consistently works. The key ingredient here is polyetheramine, and Techron was one of the first to popularize it. That chemical is the single biggest reason why this cleaner has such a strong reputation. It's not just detergent, it's a molecular solvent designed to chemically strip carbon deposits without damaging metal surfaces or rubber seals. When you pour Techron into your tank, it starts breaking down the hard carbon that builds up on injector tips, intake valves, and even inside combustion chambers. That's the deep stuff, the kind of grime that builds up slowly and causes poor fuel economy, sluggish throttle, or random misfires. And the difference it makes is actually measurable. Independent testing has shown that Techron can restore lost injector flow by up to 90% in certain cases, especially when used on moderately dirty systems. Now, here's why it doesn't take the top spot. While it's powerful, it's still designed for consumer safety and convenience. It's strong enough for real results, but not so strong that it risks damaging sensors or O-rings. That's perfect for daily drivers. But for extreme carbon buildup like in direct injection engines that have gone years without cleaning, Techron may not completely clear it all in one shot. Another small note, Techron's effectiveness depends on dosage. Most people underdose it. Chevron recommends a full bottle for every 12 to 15 gallons, not half. Use it properly and you'll actually feel the difference. At around 12 to 18 bucks a bottle, Techron is the gold standard for everyday use. Safe, effective, and proven. Number 2. Redline SI-1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner. Redline SI-1 isn't just a fuel injector cleaner. It's a full-on fuel system treatment. And this stuff is no joke. Ask any professional mechanic or performance tuner which over-the-counter cleaner actually works, and 9 times out of 10, you'll hear Redline. Why? Because it's got the highest concentration of PEA in any consumer available product. We're talking up to 30 to 50% active PEA, compared to maybe 5 to 10% in most typical cleaners. That's a massive difference, and it's why Redline doesn't just reduce deposits, it melts them off. You can actually see the chemistry at work. If you've ever cleaned injectors on a test bench after using SI-1, the before and after results are dramatic. The spray patterns are sharper, the automation improves, and flow rates jump significantly. That translates to real-world benefits. Better throttle response, fewer cold starts, cleaner idle, and improved fuel efficiency. One of the biggest perks of Redline is that it works fast. You don't need multiple tanks to see results. One bottle, roughly 15 to 20 bucks, treats up to 20 gallons. And within that single tank, you'll notice smoother performance. That's why enthusiasts love it. It's aggressive enough to fix problems, not just prevent them. And the chemistry behind it isn't just strong, it's smart. Redline also includes lubricants and corrosion inhibitors to protect your fuel system during the cleaning process. So while it's burning off carbon, it's also coating metal surfaces to prevent future buildup. If there's one criticism, it's that it can be too strong for frequent use. You don't want to dump a bottle in every other fill-up. It's more of a use it when you need it type of product. Maybe once every 3,000 to 5,000 miles is plenty. Other than that, it's nearly flawless. Number 1. BG44K Fuel System Cleaner. BG44K is the top of the mountain, the industry benchmark that even professional service shops rely on. This isn't your average bottle from the gas station checkout line. This is the cleaner used by dealers, technicians, and OEM-certified service centers for real injector restoration. When you take your car in for a professional fuel system service, there's a very good chance they're using BG44K. And for good reason. It's the most concentrated, most effective, and most consistent cleaner on the market. What makes BG44K unbeatable is the sheer chemical intensity of its formula. It's packed with high-dose PEA and other proprietary detergents that go far beyond what's legally allowed in most over-the-counter cleaners. That's why it's usually sold through professional distributors, because this stuff isn't meant for light maintenance, it's meant for recovery. When injectors are badly clogged, when they've got uneven combustion or serious hesitation, BG44K can bring things back that other cleaners can't touch. It doesn't just clear carbon off the injectors. It also scrubs intake valves, combustion chambers, and even the tops of pistons. In testing, it's been shown to restore injector flow by 95 to 100%, which is nearly as good as removing and ultrasonically cleaning them. And that's the real reason it sits at number 1. When your car runs rough, misfires under load, or feels sluggish, and you throw in a can of BG44K, the difference is often night and day. You'll feel smoother acceleration, stronger power delivery, and even a drop in exhaust smoke if you've been running rich. It's not cheap, typically $20 to $30 a can, sometimes more depending on where you buy it, but it's worth every cent. You don't use it every month, you don't need to. Once or twice a year is enough to keep your injectors spotless and your combustion chambers clean. And here's the kicker, BG44K is so effective that many dealerships actually include it in their official maintenance programs. BMW, Toyota, Honda, Ford, you name it. They've used BG44K in professional services. That alone tells you everything. It's not just a cleaner, it's the closest thing to a professional-grade fuel system flush you can buy in a can. That's why BG44K sits at the very top of this list. Nothing else hits harder, works faster, or delivers results this consistently. It's the real deal. The gold standard in injector cleaning. But tell me what you think. Which of these fuel injector cleaners do you think is the best? Let me know in the comments.